there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit the best products against each other to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic drone showdown between the Holystone HS720G and the Gleesfun G11MINI. On the left, we have the Holystone HS720G, the drone that's as stable as your grandma's rocking chair. And on the right, the Gleesfun G11MINI, the mini drone that's as light as your morning croissant. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the money, honey. Both the Holystone and the Gleesfun drones are priced at $299. So if you're looking to break the bank, you're out of luck. It's a tie in the price category. But hey, at least you won't need to sell your kidney to afford either of these. Next, let's dive into the camera quality. The Holystone comes with a 4K EIS camera and a 2-axis gimbal. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky, ensuring your footage is smoother than a baby's bottom. Meanwhile, the Gleesfun G11MINI boasts a 4K UHD camera that can shoot 2.7K 50 FPS or 4K/25 FPS. It even has a camera shield, so you don't have to worry about it getting a boo-boo. If you're looking for the ultimate selfie from above, both drones have you covered. But the Gleesfun's camera shield is like having a bouncer for your lens. Extra points for that. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The Holystone offers a respectable 26 minutes of flight time. But the Gleesfun G11MINI laughs in the face of 26 minutes with its 2 batteries that give you a whopping 60 minutes of flight time. That's right, folks. You could literally make a sandwich, eat it, and still have time to fly this drone. Gleesfun takes the cake here and probably eats it too. Moving on to ease of use. The Holystone is packed with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold. It's basically the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is also beginner-friendly with its automatic takeoff, landing, and auto return-to-home functions. It's like having a drone nanny. Both drones are super easy to fly, so even if you have the coordination of a drunken squirrel, you'll be fine. Alright, let's talk GPS and stability. The Holystone has a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, making it as stable as a monk in meditation. The Gleesfun also has smart GPS features, including follow mode and waypoint mode. It's like having your own personal drone stalker. In a good way, of course. Both drones are rock solid in this department. But the Holystone might just have a slight edge with its anti-interference capabilities. Finally, let's see which drone is the best travel buddy. The Holystone is foldable and weighs less than 380 grams, making it as portable as a can of Coke. You can take it anywhere, just don't try to drink it. The Gleesfun G11MINI is even lighter, weighing under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration is required. It's like the James Bond of drones, sleek, stylish, and always ready for action. Gleesfun wins this round with its lightweight and no-hassle setup. Reviewers love the Holystone HS720G for its stability, user-friendly controls, and impressive camera quality. It's often recommended for beginners and praised for its build quality and customer service. On the other hand, the Gleesfun G11MINI is appreciated for its lightweight design, long flight time, and ease of use. Users love its advanced features and find it perfect for both adults and children. Both drones have received high marks for their performance and value for money. So there you have it, smart buyers. The Holystone HS720G is your go-to for stability and smooth footage, while the Gleesfun G11MINI is perfect for those who want long flight times and a hassle-free experience. Which drone will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic product showdowns. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.